Hello guys, I hope you are quite well. These are YouTube multi-purpose cover banners you can easily download from my website GFX. Here in this article you can download it from here. This is free to download. These are no password templates. So here these are, you need to extract this file. This is winner file, and these are PSD images. In Adobe Photoshop you can edit them. This is completely customizable. You can see these are for YouTube background covers. And here you can see this, you can completely customize. You put your own image here on social media platform, icons, followers, and also other. You can simply double click, drag and drop your image here, Control S, and it will be saved in here. So these are due on the shade images and shapes. You can change the color also, and many more. This is completely customizable, and these are almost 30. You can free download from our website GFX. We provide you the graphic templates for free. And here this is also customizable. Put your own image here, replace the 3 images. Just drag and drop your image, double click and drag and drop. And color shade, you can also change background color. You can put a background image the way you like it, edit your text on branding and so on. Just for example this. These are for different purposes. This is for gym fitness, and the previous one was for fashion designers and so on. These are almost 30. Covered multi things, multi niche, and here you can edit them. I know you can do this easier. So thanks for watching this video. I hope this data is quite useful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and also like this video. Take care.